Down by the creek where the willows sway, a calico stands in the light of day. On her legs she's batting free, chasing dreams we can barely see. She leaps and twirls in the summer breeze, claws outstretched like she's catching leaves. In that dusty yard by the old oak tree, that cat is wild like a country spree. She's a dancing cat in the midday sun, batting at shadows, having fun. In our small town, she's a sight to see, a furry spectacle, a pure wild glee. Old Farmer Joe tips his hat and grins, says that cat's got the moves to win. Kids gather around laughing with delight, while she leaps and swipes, a marvelous sight. Rusty truck, parked and primed, radio blaring, keeping time. She's in her own world, a jazzy beat, every swipe a tiny feat. She's a dancing cat in the midday sun, batting at shadows, having fun. In our small town, she's a sight to see, a furry spectacle, a pure wild glee. She's a dancing cat in the midday sun, batting at shadows, having fun. In our small town, she's a sight to see, a furry spectacle, a pure wild glee.